Munich Layover coming up. From the famous Airbräu brewery to a comfortable MUC airport lounge, this airport has it covered. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for MUC. Getting around from MUC is easy. The S-Bahn takes you to the city in 50 minutes for about 12 euros. Or grab a rideshare for 50 to 70 euros in 35 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours, stay at the airport and enjoy what makes Munich unique. Start by clearing customs, then head to the Airbräu brewery between terminals 1 and 2 for fresh Bavarian beer and traditional food. Next, browse the shops or relax in one of the airport lounges like the Bayern Lounge for a Bavarian experience. Finally, grab a pretzel at one of the cafes before heading to your gate. Got 8 hours. Now you can really explore. After clearing customs, hop on the S-Bahn to Marienplatz in the city center. Visit the famous Glockenspiel clock tower. Then walk to Viktualienmarkt food market to browse local specialties. Next, grab lunch at Hofbräuhaus, the world's most famous beer hall with traditional music and massive steins. From there, take the S-Bahn back to the airport with time to spare. 16 hours? That's a full day in Munich. Clear customs, then take the S-Bahn to Marienplatz to see the Glockenspiel. Walk to Viktualienmarkt for authentic Bavarian treats, then explore the historic streets. Enjoy lunch at Hofbräuhaus with live music and traditional food. After that, grab coffee and pastries at Richard Bakery near the station. If you have energy left, visit one more attraction or relax at a cafe before taking the S-Bahn back to catch your flight. Budget breakdown: 4 hours costs about $27 staying at the airport. 8 hours exploring the city runs about $60. And the full day adventure costs around $88. A few tips: download the S-Bahn schedule ahead of time to plan your return. The Glockenspiel shows run at 11 a.m. and noon daily, so time your visit right. And if you're wondering, can you leave Munich Airport during layover? Absolutely, just budget at least 6 hours total. Planning a Munich layover? Full Munich Layover guide at Yopki.com, link below.